Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to download Google Keep application on your smartphone whether you are using Android or iPhone. So the first thing to do is to make sure to get connected to a stable internet connection whether you're using Wi-Fi or mobile data, and then launch open your Google Play Store for Android users and App Store for iOS users. Go to the search box at the top either way and type in Google Keep. Look for this application that says Google Keep Notes and List from Google, and then tap on the install or the get button to start downloading the app. You may also see a little cloud icon with the arrow pointing downwards. Tap on that to start the download process. Wait for a couple of minutes until the app gets downloaded. Downloading Google Keep is quick, secure, and helps you stay organized with synced notes across all devices. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves jotting things out, this app is for you. Once the app is installed, tap on Open and there you go. You have successfully installed and opened up the Google Keep application. Now you can go ahead and log in using one of your Google accounts and you will be good to go. That was how you can download and install Google Keep on your mobile device, whether you are using Android or iOS. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.